The best budget gaming PCs are just as capable of tackling the best PC games as more expensive PCs. And so long as you're not expecting the ultra settings or 4K performance, a gaming PC that doesn't come with an outrageous price tag should still be just as competent when it comes to the latest AAA games. You may not get all the bells and whistles of the most expensive gaming PCs, but the best budget gaming PCs are worth a look. A fantastic immersive gaming experience really doesn't require a pricey, maxed out desktop. There are plenty of less expensive yet capable components available, such as Intel's Coffee Lake Refresh, AMD's Ryzen 3rd generation, and not to mention the AMD Navy GPUs. In this video, I am going to talk about the best budget gaming PCs that you can consider to buy in 2021. So which is your favorite PC from this list? Please comment in the comment section. Please hit the like button to share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Intel Goose Canyon Nuke. Small but dangerous and the best gaming PC. Intel's Nuke has come a long way from its humble beginnings. For example, while the previous Hades Canyon didn't come with the RAM or storage, the newer Goose Canyon has both. In fact, not only does it have more offerings now in terms of specification, but it is also highly configurable, so you can personalize it to your liking before hitting that buy button. With the 9th generation Intel Core chips, up to 64GB of memory and up to 4TB of dual storage, we are all for it. The only catch is that it's pricier now as well. The lower configuration are still quite affordable. However, this is among the best budget gaming PCs for the budget conscious. Buy this machine because it is affordable at its low configuration and it is highly upgradable, comes with a great performance. The disappointment is, can get pretty pricey at the highest configurations. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. HP Omen Obelisk, a stunner PC for hardcore gamers. The HP Omen's line's most affordable PC, the HP Omen Obelisk, is definitely well deserving of the best budget gaming PC title, thanks to the low price of admission, well under $1,000, and its decent specs at that configuration. And if you customize before you buy, upgrading the base specification for more power, it won't set you back a whole lot either. The best part is, if you're not into that over-the-top gaming aesthetic, this one has a classier looking chassis, so you can haul it to your office desk and no one will be wiser. Buy this stunning machine because it has got lots of power, appealing toolless design, and it is highly upgradable. The only disappointment with this machine is software offer minimal personalization. Dell G5, a budget PC gaming at its best. A unique chassis coupled with a price to beat, Dell's latest in its G series gaming PCs is a solid contender as among the best budget gaming PCs out there. The Dell G5 boasts 9th generation Intel chips as well as Nvidia's most powerful gaming GTX and RTX graphics cards. Starting with an Intel i3 processor and the GTX 1650 to handle many powerful games without burning a hole in your pocket. Of course, if you have got more case to spare, its VR ready configurations are also on hand, though even those are absolutely affordable. Buy this best budget gaming PC from Dell for its very affordable price, and it has got VR ready configuration. The only disappointment with this gaming PC is base models won't get you through the most demanding games. MSI Trident 3 9th generation gaming PC, a great performer at affordable price. If looking good matters to you as much as power, then you might love the MSI Trident 3 9th generation, especially if you are partial to a gaming leaning aesthetic. It's not all looks either. This small gaming PC touts plenty of power under the hood for less than its rivals with the 9th generation Intel Core processors and the best Nvidia RTX and GTX graphics. It is even cheaper than many of the gaming PCs on this list with its Intel Core i7 plus RTX 2060 Super plus 16GB of RAM configuration, setting you back much less than HP Omen 25L with equivalent specification. If you are trying to maximize your limited space and budget, this is the best budget gaming PC for you. Buy this amazingly performing budget PC for its lots of power, and it is also compact. The only disappointment with this gaming PC is it comes with a bloated software. HP Omen 25L, the best budget gaming PC overall. The Omen 25L's rectangular black metal design is not going to turn heads anytime soon. That's at least offset by its glass panel, but only barely. However, if you're not too concerned about the looks, this is among the best budget gaming PCs to hit the shelves in 2021 that won't make sizable dent in your bank account. With AMD configurations on hand, it is perfect for AMD leaning gamers, but those that are loyal to Nvidia's RTX line can partake as well, as you can configure it to have up to RTX 2070 Super GPU. The Omen 25L cost you as much as many of the premium gaming PCs in their mid-range configuration. Only this one has got more memory and lot more storage capacity. Buy this amazing performer and the best gaming PC for its affordable price, tool-less access and great cooling system. The only disappointment with this overall best gaming PC, that is best budget gaming PC, is that it comes with an unimaginative design. So these are some of the best budget cheap gaming PCs that you can consider to buy in 2021. If I had left any of the best gaming PCs which are affordable in price, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.